Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. In this next section, we will revise how to go about adding and subtracting fractions. When adding or subtracting fractions, they must have a common denominator. Let's look at the example 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3. We need a common denominator, which here is 15. Converting each fraction gives us 3 over 15 and 10 over 15. Adding these together results in 13 over 15. This example shows the importance of finding a common denominator to perform addition or subtraction of fractions correctly. Let's take a look at this example. So here we have 4 over 7 minus 1 over 2. So what we have to do first is we have to make the denominators the same. They must have a common denominator before we can add or subtract fractions. So the common denominator in this case will be equal to 14. Now let's rewrite both fractions with a common denominator of 14. Now, to get from 7 to 14, we multiply by 2. So we had to multiply the 7 by 2 to get 14. This means we have to multiply the 4 by 2 as well. So that gives us 8. So now we have 8 over 14. Let's take a look at the second fraction. To get from 2 to 14, we had to multiply by 7. Whatever we do at the bottom, we have to do at the top as well. So that means we have to multiply the 1 by 7 as well. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. So now we have 8 over 14 minus 7 over 14. So now that the denominators are the same, we can subtract the numerators. 8 minus 7 equals 1. So the answer is equal to 1 over 14. Here we are adding two mixed numbers, 2 and 2/5 plus 1 and a quarter. So let's start. First we will write the fractions with a common denominator of 20. So to get from 5 to 20, you have to multiply by 4. Whatever you do at the bottom, you have to do at the top as well. So that means you have to take this 2 and multiply it by 4 as well, which gives us 8. Let's take a look at the second fraction. Here we have 1 over 4. Now to get from 4 to 20, you have to multiply by 5. Whatever we do at the bottom, we have to do at the top as well, which means we have to take this 1 and multiply it by 5 as well. That gives us 5 over 20. So we now have 2 and 8 over 20 plus 1 and 5 over 20. Now let's add the whole numbers. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let's add the fractions. 8 plus 5 gives us 13. So we have 3 and 13 over 20. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.